Windows recovery, how to recover files on PC, hard drive. There are tons of reasons to cause data loss on computer, such as computer crash, virus infected, accidental deletion, reboot suddenly, and more. Here we will introduce 4 solutions to solve this problem. 1. How to recover deleted files from recycle bin. Recycle bin is where you used to store the deleted file on the computer, then you can go for it and get it back if you are regret to do that. So, the first place you can find your deleted file is the recycle bin. The data won't be removed before reaching the max volume. You can right-click the files you want to recover, and then choose Restore to get them back easily. Sometimes, you can find nothing in trash bin as you have enabled the Do Not Move files to the recycle bin to delete the file permanently. 2. Recover PC data with FoneLab. The most recommended method to recover Windows data is using a third-party data recovery software, which is called FoneLab Data Retriever. You should have experienced that the files disappeared suddenly, and then searched and tried various ways to get them back, but nothing works. FoneLab Data Retriever helps you solve these frustrating things no matter what happened. It is a powerful software suitable for below situations. 1. Recover lost data from memory card, flash drive, hard drive, etc. 2. Lost data after formatting without backup. 3. Computer crash or virus infected. 4. Supports document, image, video, audio, email, zip, SID and more. 5. By the way, it is easy to use as below. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer, and then it will be launched automatically. Plug the removable drive into the computer if you want to recover data from drives, then it will appear under the Removable Drives tab. Step 2. Check the file types you want to recover. Step 3. Click Scan, and you can select Deep Scan after completion if you need. Step 4. Check the box next to the data you want and click Recover. 3. Restore PC data from backup. If you have the good custom to make backup for PC, you can easily restore files from them. Step 1. Visit the website on your computer browser. Step 2. Log in your account, which you use to backup data. Step 3. Find the data you want to get back. Step 4. Save them into your computer folder. 4. Restore PC data in computer settings. Some users used to backup computer data with system settings, so that you can restore data from these backup files within settings. Step 1. Choose Backup and Restore through Start button, Control Panel, System and Maintenance, Backup and Restore. If you are using Windows 10, you should go to Start button, Settings, Update and Security, Backup, go to Backup and Restore. Step 2. Click Restore My Files or Restore All Users' Files according to your needs, and then choose the files you want to restore. All. If you want to learn more details about FoneLab, you can visit www.fonelab.com.